understand. Just invest this time into the future success of your project and make sure everything is discussed beforehand and you're on the same page with your future project manager. Hey there, Andrei here from Glorium Technologies, talking about the common mistakes that people do when they start to outsource their software development. And today specifically I'm going to discuss a problem of failing to properly connect with your future project manager. So what's the problem here is that the potential misalignment on the management approach can result in broken processes in the future, broken communication, loss of the efficiency. Of course, you don't want those things to happen to you. All right, so what do you need to do over here? Number one is simple. You need to ensure that you have a project manager assigned to your project, or at least a project coordinator. That's a must. So there has to be someone to whom you can go to and discuss all the problems, and this person has to be aware of everyday activities on the project. All right. Number two, have a one-on-one conversation with this person, with this future project manager before your engagement starts. Look at this as a, I don't know, think about it as an interview if you were interviewing somebody to the project manager position into your own company, and ask appropriate questions. And important thing here, again, is do this conversation one-on-one. Not in the presence of a salesperson or some higher level of authority from that company during the sales process, but it has to be one-on-one. Only then you will be able to have a full and honest conversation with this person. And certainly don't forget to talk about all of the details of how the management is going to organize within your project. Talk about the development structure, management structure, communication channels, development environment, how everyone participates in it, how the knowledge is shared, what tools do you guys use, what's the flow, the approach, what is it going to be, Scrum, I don't know, Kanban, any of the project management styles and approach that are going to be used on your project. So make sure all of this is aligned and you do understand how all of this is going to be structured beforehand. If you spend, I don't know, even an hour of time, I'm talking, telling you all of those many things, it actually doesn't take too much time to discuss and understand. If there are any issues you see are arising from this conversation, of course, make sure you address them before you get into the engagement. All right. So hope it's going to help with your future engagements, and will help you to set up a more productive flow and management approach in your future project. All right. So that's all for today, and I hope it will help you in the future to set up your projects and your next engagement for success. All right. And next time I'm going to talk how to properly set up your first milestone for the success. All right, so stay with me and I will see you next time.